YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. So we finally got our first thunderstorm. So we'll get our first rain test in the morning. It's really coming down. Got some lightning going. But yeah, so we'll check out the Caprice in the morning and see how much water got in. So yeah, we still got a big problem. I got water in the front, a little water down here, a little water there, water, a lot of water right there. I gotta see what's going on there. It's coming through that little part in the middle. The front got a little bit. But yeah, we definitely got water. I don't know why the front has so much water. So I guess we'll be fixing the roof. So we had some rain last night, as you've seen, and I've been looking at this roof, and I think we can call it Audible, because I got a hole there, I got one there, I got another one there. So I started to do this floor, but like I said, we had rain last night, so water still got in. So the part I started to wire brush, the rust started coming back. So I'm gonna stop doing what I'm doing on the floor, and I think we're gonna focus back on the roof. Like, I'm gonna grind and sand. See, I see another hole I think I missed right there. So the new plan is to pretty much sand all this black stuff off the roof. I'm gonna sand all this down. I want to see all of the holes that I can't see right now. So that's the new game plan with the roof. Is I'm gonna grind all this crap down, because all this is a bunch of like Bondo and spray paint, I think. Because if you look closely right there, you can see, like, I want to say that's like Bondo mesh, and someone put a strip from like here all the way to about there. It's like one long strip. So I want all this gone. And if I keep looking, if I keep looking at the roof, like right here, there's like, you see it? There's like some more tape. So all this, and it seems like it's just chipped. All this got to come off. So I think it's just like Bondo or something. It's not metal. I think it's Bondo. Yeah, but anyway, all this stuff here got to go, and it's all over the roof. So what I believe happened was, you can see it had a top on it, and I think it just rusted out the roof, and someone tried to patch it up with, like, I mean, it's crap. Yeah, so someone just tried to patch it with Bondo and Bondo mesh. And this whole roof is covered with it. Instead of chasing my tail, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stop doing the floors. For now, at least. I mean, the parts I did looks good. Still looks good. But like over there and here, which we don't care about that. That's coming out. Just a plate. I'm not gonna keep wire brushing this floor every time it rains. So I need to fix the root of the problem, which is the roof. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna, like I said, grind down the roof, sand it, wire brush it, whatever, grind it down, see where all the holes are, replace the metal where we need to, and then put the roof in. And after you put the roof in, I'll just fiberglass everything and then be done with it. So I mean, yeah, that's the plan right now. I got the floors in for the floor pans. I got the floor pans in for the floor in the front. I got me some metal, and I got me the other surprise for there and there, which I'll show you guys later. But anyway, this is just a quick update. This is your boy Catloco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.